Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss important questions in vectors. Some examples, 4 marks and 7 marks questions we will discuss now. So first question, let ABCDEF be a regular hexagon with center O. Show that AB plus AC plus AD plus AE plus AF equal to 3 times of AD, which is equal to 6 times of AO. See, first we have to draw the regular hexagon. What is the meaning of regular hexagon? In the hexagon, all the sides are equal. That is called regular hexagon. In normal hexagon, different sides will be there. 6 sides will be there, but all sides are not equal. But in the regular hexagon, all the sides are equal. See here, first draw the figure of regular hexagon. So in this figure, you have to draw that, plot the points, what is A, what is B, what is C. Like I'll start from here, A, B, C and D, E and F. This is the regular hexagon. In the solution step, first whatever we consider, that we have to write it. A, B, C, D, E, F be a regular hexagon with center O, they are saying, na? So join and this point is O. With center O, you have to write it. With center O. After that, consider this LHS. Consider, and we observe that, we know that all the sides are equal. We discussed AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EF equal to AF. And one more important thing, O is the center related to AD and AO is there now here, AD and AO. Since O is the center of a regular hexagon, then we have this is the first point, this is the second point. Then we have, see here, relation between AD and AO. Whenever O is the center, it is obviously midpoint of these sides. AO should be equal to AD. Sorry, AO should be equal to OD according to this one. OD or DO. Then we have AO is equal to OD. So here AD can be written as AD is equal to AD bar. AD can be written as AO plus OD. So which is equal to AO, in place of AO, I want to write OD. Otherwise, in place of OD, we can write as AO. AO plus AO, which is equal to 2 times of AO. So AD in terms of AO, we got it. You put it in box, this result we will use in the coming steps. In the next step, consider LHS. Consider LHS. What is LHS? AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar. So here observe carefully. What I am writing is total 5 are there now. Two vectors I am considering as one vector. So here AB plus AE I am taking. Plus AE. Similarly, AC and AD. AC and AF. AC and AF. AC and AF. And AD will be like this only. Why? Because why I am not taking AD? I want to show the result in terms of AD and AO. So that is the reason AB plus AE. In this next step, a little more. AC should be equal to DF AC. So even join these values. By observing AB is equal to ED. Wherever AB is there, you have to write AB is equal to ED. Plus AE. Since AB is equal to ED. We already discussed that in the regular hexagon all sides are equal. According to the convenience we are taking AB is equal to ED. Next, plus in place of AF. What is AF? AF is equal to CD, we can write now. AC plus, from the figure, AF is equal to CD. So AF is equal to CD plus AD. After that, if you join like this, here AE plus ED is equal to AD. By AE plus ED is equal to AD. From triangular law of vectors, from triangular law of vectors, AE plus ED is equal to AD. So from triangular law of vectors we got it. In the same way, AC plus CD equal to AD. AC plus CD equal to AC. Again from triangular law of vectors, AD plus already AD is there. AD plus AD plus AD, 3AD. We got the first result. Here we got it now. The first result. Again we have to prove 6 times of AO. Here AD value we got it as 2 times of AO now. So we can write it as 3 times of, in place of AD, 2 into AO dash. Since we have that result, which is equal to 3 to the 6 into AO bar, which is required RHS. So AD we have already, that is the reason I did not mention here, hence RHS. The next question. In triangle ABC, if O is the circumcenter and H is the orthocenter, then show that OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar equal to OH bar. And second one, HA bar plus HB bar plus HC bar equal to 2HO bar. This is very important, not only for intermediate but also MSET and JEE mains. In this question, the concept of circumcenter, orthocenter, even centroid also, but it is not given in the question, but we can utilize the concept of centroid also. So here, first, in triangle ABC, we have to draw the figure. O is the circumcenter and H is the orthocenter. And H is the orthocenter. This is the information from the question. After that, you have to draw the figure. A, B, C. Don't write directly H value, O value. O is called circumcenter. Circumcenter means the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of the triangle. So here, just I am drawing in dotted lines. D is the midpoint. This is the perpendicular bisector. So this is also E is the midpoint. This is F is the midpoint. So the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors is called circumcenter. Now it is denoted by O. So this is the point O. O is the circumcenter. Similarly, the point of intersection of altitudes is called the orthocenter. So here, this is our altitude through A, this is altitude through B, this is altitude through C. So the point of intersection of altitudes is called orthocenter. It is denoted by H. And one more important thing, the point of intersection of medians is called centroid. See here, this is the median, this is also a median. Maybe some confusion, but it's not at all worry. So which are meeting at this point? So this I am taking as G. After knowing of this one, centroid, the point of intersection of medians is called centroid. Just I want in triangle, orthocenter, circumcenter and centroid, they are collinear. So here one triangle, here also another triangle. O means circumcenter in this case, G is centroid, and H is the orthocenter. So here we observe that AGH and GOD are similar triangles. Here triangle AGH, and most of the persons, they won't explain this thing. This is the very important thing involving in this question to get these answers. This is very, very important, dear students. Triangle AGH and triangle OGD are similar triangles. Whenever they are similar triangles, their sides are in proportional. Suppose, for example, here for this triangle and for this triangle. First I am taking this triangle, this base is OZ. OZ divided by GH. OG divided by GH, which is equal to, next GD. First we are taking this triangle now, so OG is over. OZ by this triangle is GH is over. Next for this triangle, GD by GA. GD divided by AH, which is equal to, next OD divided by AH. OD divided by AH. After that, very, very important. What is G here? G is the centroid. G is centroid. We know that centroid divides, G divides the median AD in the ratio of 2:1. Divides median in 2:1 ratio. So this is the median. So AG value, this is 2:1. So AG value is what? AG value, where we got it here? AH I wrote now here. GD by GA. Here GD divided by GA. So here H I wrote, GA it is. Which is equal to, GD means 1 divided by AG. AG value is what? 2. But we want the relation between OH and 2HO. So if we equate these two, it will becomes 2OD is equal to AH. So put it in box. This result we will use in the coming steps. So 2OD equal to AH. After that, one more important thing is there. What is that second important thing? D is the midpoint of BC. So here D is the midpoint of BC. Then the position vector of D we can write as OD bar equal to OB plus OC by 2. Midpoint OB bar plus OC bar by 2. So if you do that cross multiplication, OB bar plus OC bar is equal to 2 times of OD bar. So keep in mind these two important points. Now come to the first question. Now in the first question, consider LHS. OA plus OB plus OC is equal to, in place of OB plus OC, can we write 2OD? So we can write it. So 2 times of, so OA bar plus, in place of OB plus OC, we can write it as 2 times of OD bar. After that, 2OD is equal to what here? 2OD bar equal to AH. So which is equal to OA plus AH. OA plus AH. Again here we are going to apply triangular law of vectors. OA, so from here to here, OA plus AH is equal to OH by using triangular law of vectors. OA plus AH is equal to OH. So OA plus AH is equal to OH. Hence proved the first question RHS. Similarly, we'll take the second one. What is the second one here? In the second one, HA bar plus HB bar plus HC bar is equal to AB bar, we can write it as OB minus OA. Similarly, HA bar also can be written as OA minus OH plus HB bar also OB minus OH. HC bar can be written as OC minus OH. OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar is equal to OA plus OB plus OC minus OH minus OH minus OH minus 3OH. What is OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar? We got it as OH bar only. No? OH minus 3OH, which is equal to minus 2OH. If we remove this minus, this vector position will be changed. So it will become 2 times of HO bar. Hence proved, it is required RHS. So if you remove this minus, these two will be interchanged. The position of the vector will be changed. The direction will change as 2 times of HO bar. So HA bar plus HB bar plus HC bar equal to 2 times of HO bar. So both the questions we completed. The next question. In the two-dimensional plane, prove by using vector method the equation of the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This question we are going to discuss now. So before that, you have to draw the rough figure. X-axis, y-axis. So this is the origin. So here I bar and here j bar. They are unit vectors along with OX axis and OY axis. That information you have to give it. Let I bar comma j bar be unit vectors, along OX comma OY axis. That is the first thing. After that, you have to assume the points on x-axis and y-axis. So they are giving the intercept now. So here I am drawing one line which intersects on x-axis at A and on y-axis at B. So here I am taking the point is a comma 0, and here on y-axis x coordinate is 0 means 0 comma b. So here whatever you have taken the points, you can write it. Let capital A equal to a comma 0 and b equal to 0 comma b. These are the points. Whenever we are taking the points on x-axis and y-axis, we can write the vectors also. OA bar vector, you can write it as is a component. OA bar equal to, we can write it as, from here to here distance is a units now, small a. From here to here it is small b. So OA bar vector can be written as magnitude into along with unit vector. So OA bar equal to a into I bar. Similarly, OB bar equal to small b into j bar. Therefore, OA bar vector we got it, and OB bar vector also we got it. After that, the equation of a line passing through the 2 points A and B in the vector form. The vector equation of line, otherwise the equation of line, better to write vector equation of line. The vector equation of line, the vector equation of line passing through A, that means small a bar, and B of B bar is, we can write it as R bar equal to 1 minus T into AI bar plus T into BJ bar. Generally here OA bar and OB bar will come. OA bar and OB bar. So put as equation number 1. If you take any point on that line P of x comma y, from here to here it is y units, from here to here it is x units, from here x, from here y. This is y, this is x from here. So the position vector OP can be written as the PV of P of x comma y is, we can write it as R bar equal to, generally we can write as R bar. R bar equal to xi bar. X is the magnitude from here to here, and I bar is along with x-axis. So R bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Comparing from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Their I bar coefficients I am comparing. So x is equal to 1 minus t into a, and j bar coefficients I am comparing. Y equal to tb. So from here, a I am taking here, x by a is equal to 1 minus t, and y by b is equal to t. So y by b equal to t, no, this t value substitute in this equation. Substitute. So we will get, therefore, x by a equal to 1 minus y by b. That implies x by a plus y by b equal to 1, which is the required equation of line, which is in the intercept form, hence proved. So the next question is, if OA bar equal to I bar plus J bar plus K bar, AB bar equal to 3I bar plus minus 2J bar plus K bar, BC bar equal to I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar, and CD bar equal to 2I plus J plus 3K, then find the vector OD. Yeah, these two are the 2 marks questions, question number 4 and question number 5. So first of all, you have to write the given vectors. Given vectors. OA bar equal to I plus J plus K, AB equal to 3I minus 2J plus K, and BC is equal to I plus 2J minus 2K, and CD equal to 2I plus J plus 3K. This is about the given vectors, but they are asking to calculate OD bar. See, if you draw the figure, you will get the idea. This is OA, B and C, this is D. They are asking to calculate OD bar. So OA plus OAB plus BC plus CD. If we want to calculate OD value, if add OA plus AB plus BC plus CD, then we will get OD only. So therefore, OD bar equal to, by observing the figure, OA plus AB plus BC plus CD. So we have to add all the values, which is equal to, how many I bars are there? I plus 3I 4I, 4I plus I 5I, 5I plus 2I 7I. So plus 2J minus 2J get cancelled, J plus J is 2J, K plus K 2K minus 2K cancel plus 3K. Therefore the vector OD bar equal to 7I plus 2J plus 3K. We'll move to the next question. This is a 2 marks question. If you draw the diagram for this, it is very big. Sir, why to add these means? By observing here OA, after that immediately AB is there, after that BC is there, after that CD is there, continuity values are there. So that is the reason we are adding here. The next question, this is also important for 2 marks. OABC is a parallelogram. If OA equal to A bar and OC equal to C bar, then find the vector equation of the side BC. So first to draw the rough figure of parallelogram. O, A, B and C. So here respective OA is given as A bar and OC is given as C bar. Whenever OC is there, for this C, the point is C bar. Whenever this is also C bar only, no? OC and AB, these two are parallel vectors. So C bar, C bar. Even this is also A bar. But this OB vector is, by using triangular law of vectors, OB bar equal to OA plus AB. So this vector is A bar plus C bar. Why we are writing B point is as A bar plus C bar? By using triangular law of vectors, OB bar equal to OA bar plus AB bar. So now OABC is a parallelogram. Given OA is equal to small a bar and OC is equal to small c bar. By using triangular law of vectors, B point B is equal to
A bar plus C bar, and C bar is C bar only. C is equal to C bar. We know that the equation, the vector equation of line, the vector equation of the side or line, first line, write it here, BC, is passing through B and C is, first write formula, R bar equal to 1 minus T into B bar plus T into C bar, where T is belongs to capital R, real number. So in place of B and C, substitute these values. So R bar equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus C bar plus TC bar. So now simplification, 1 minus T into A bar plus C bar minus TC bar plus TC bar. These two will be cancelled. So we will get R bar equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus C bar. Otherwise, we can do like this also. Sir, why can't take like this? Some doubt will arise. We can take like this also. R bar equal to 1 minus T into C bar plus T into B bar. Even like this also we can take T belongs to R. So R bar equal to 1 minus T into C bar means C bar only, plus T into A bar plus C bar. So if you simplify, R bar equal to C bar minus TC bar plus AT bar or minus A bar T plus TC bar, C bar T otherwise. These two will be cancelled. So R bar equal to C bar plus A bar T, where T belongs to R. Even both answers are correct, either this answer or this answer. Thank you dear students for watching. In the coming video, we will discuss more questions in the vectors, in the product of vectors and addition of vectors. Examples also we will discuss. Thank you for watching.